Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P. So as you guys can read from the title and the thumbnail, I'll be doing a burnt orange fall makeup vibes look. So if you want to see how I get from this to this, so if you want to see how I create this nice fall vibes makeup look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrow off camera. I don't know, my eyebrow needs to be threaded, so right now it's kind of bushy, and I don't know if they're looking like twins or even sisters, by the way. Whatever, I'm gonna leave it alone. So I already moisturized my face and I use my hydraulic serum and all of that stuff. I'm gonna go in with my lip scrub that I always use. I love to use this lip scrub because it keeps my lips very soft. And I do have cracked lips a lot because my skin is so dry. So I love to use this while I'm doing my makeup, and then when I'm at the end, I just wipe it off. So I'm going to go in with my concealer from NARS, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to conceal my eyes. This is what I sometimes use. I started using this a couple months ago or a couple weeks ago to do my eye. I normally use my MAC, but it's kind of finished, so I didn't have the chance to go ahead and get it, but I'm gonna use this and just conceal my eyes for the eyeshadows. And guys, I am so happy that Halloween is over. That's my AC. I'm in my attic, and why does it have to come on right now? Oh Lord. Anyways, forget that noise behind me. Yeah, as I was saying, that I am so happy that Halloween is finally over. Man, Halloween makeup looks and all of that shit is stressing me out. I didn't really feel the vibes to do any Halloween, even though I did a lot of videos that I did not post for Halloween because I just was not feeling the vibes. It wasn't there, and it's November and I am happy. Also, this is my birthday month. I was born November the 27th. I am a Sagittarius, and I'm gonna be doing a couple birthday looks that, you know, I want you guys to see and all of that stuff, and what you guys want me to wear on my birthday. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably do it like a week before my birthday, or maybe 2 weeks before my birthday, so you guys can judge me and say, okay, do this exactly on your birthday and all of that good stuff. So that will be coming up very soon. You know, I'm getting so old. I can't believe it. I'm not gonna tell you guys how old I am though. All right, so now that it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Sacha Buttercup. Make sure that it is all set and not started to crease up on me. And also that Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection is out, and it sold out in one day. How crazy. I mean, I knew it was, because come on, Jeffree Star is behind it, and I watched the documentary and it was so, like, listen, whatever I was doing, I stopped and watched the documentary because it was so good. It showed you how the process and the struggles that they have. Man, I want to get it. I want to do a review on it. I cannot wait. You guys know I'm not on nobody's PR list because I'm like kind of nobody on YouTube right now, but I don't care. I'm going to get it. I'm going to use my money and buy it, so you guys know that would be my honest review. You know, not like some people who get PR and they have to say stuff. It's going to be kick out the PR. Not me. I don't care. Anyways, I'm going to go into three Juvia's Place palettes, because as I said in the intro, I want to do like a burn orange fall vibes. But I think I'm going to start with this palette right here, and I'm going to start with this shade right here. This is called Morocco, and I'm going to take it right onto a fluffy brush, and this will be my transition color. And I'm going to go ahead and start off right here and kind of blend it right into the crease and a little bit above. This is a nice, and I'm gonna smoke it out, like blow it out all the way out, because when I do my concealer I could just clean it up and it's gonna give me a nice like cut. So I'm just gonna continue to build this up to my liking. And with the Juvias Place palettes, you do not need to put a lot because it's so pigmented. I need to get my ass to Ulta to get some more, because I know they have new one come out when they came out with their foundation, and I did not get that one yet. So I need to go hop on that wagon and get that. So I'm just gonna continue to build, and I'm gonna be messy with my eyeshadows because I'm gonna clean it up later. So when you're doing this, and that's the reason why I start with my eyes, because if I get messy and I go all over here or all over here, I could just use my foundation or my concealer and just clean it up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go back into this palette and I'm gonna take Kenya onto a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and focus it right into the crease only, right here, and then kind of smoke it out, fade it out a little bit onto the side, and put it a little bit onto the lid. This is so pretty. Like, I have no issues with the Juvias Place palettes, none whatsoever. And it's so inexpensive. Like, for this, really? Wow, like this is so inexpensive. So I'm just gonna focus it right into the crease only and just build it up the way how I want to. And then I'm gonna go back into the first shade and just blend the harsh line so that both of them could get married and have babies. Okay guys, so now that both sides are complete, well, not fully complete, I'm gonna go ahead and do the lid. And I was looking at this shade right here called Nefertiti. I never ever tried this shade before, and I have this palette a long time and I never tried it. Not even the blue, I never tried this one. So I was looking on both of them because I'm confused. Okay, so this one here I never tried, and then I was looking at this one here called Sirocco, and I never tried this one either. So I'm thinking if I should go ahead and put this on the lid and then put this one over it, because this is shimmer. This one have more shimmer. Man. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go into Nefertiti and see how it goes. I'm gonna put it on the lid. If it fails, you guys gonna see it. So go ahead and put it on. And I did not wet my brush at all. This is a nice, like, smoothing shade. It's not like bright in your face shade. This is nice, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the other shade over it, which is more of a shimmer color. And this one have fallout, so be careful. That's the reason why I don't do my face at all until I finish my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna use that same brush and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. A lot of these shades I never tried before. I always go with the same thing. Okay, so this one is more brighter, definitely brighter. And if you wanted to like pop more, you could go ahead and wet your brush, which I think I'm gonna do. Oh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, wet my brush, and I'm gonna dip right back into it and just pack it on. This is a very subtle color. I like this. I really do. I like this. So I'm just gonna continue to pack it on and then do the other eye. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I put my lashes on, and I also put a little highlight into the inner corner, and I went ahead and I used this shade right here. This one is called Casablanca from the Juvias place. So yeah, did that. So now is the face. I'm gonna go ahead later on and do underneath my eyes, but I want to focus on the face, and I'll be using, what foundation should I use today? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, so I'll be using the Huda Beauty Shake That Bad Boy Up, and I'm gonna go ahead. I love this so much. This is so full coverage, by the way, so full coverage. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other Tarte Shape that is more lighter. That one is Tan Sand right over it, because I want to get a little pop of brightness underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that over it, and I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour today. You guys know I'm not a cream contour person, but I feel like cream contour today. I'm gonna be using my Fenty in Expresso. Okay, so next I'm going to use my patrickstarrr powder with MAC, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right underneath the eyes before it starts to crease up on me. You guys know the deal already with that. Okay, so right after, I'm gonna go ahead and set my contour, because I did powder cream contour, so now I have to powder contour to set it. And this is broken. I don't know what happened. I think my daughter came in here and messed up my whole entire makeup. Okay, it's broken. Look at that. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm just gonna go right over the cream contour. I'm gonna go ahead and do a reverse contour just to make that cheek pop more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it off, because I just hate that mark. Like, you know, when you have that mark, it just look crazy. So I don't need to keep it on for long. Go ahead and brush it off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC in NW45 just to set the rest of my face. So next I'm gonna use my blush. You guys know the only blush I use, and nothing new here, but if you guys are new, this is the only blush I use, Anastasia Beverly Hills Cocktail Party. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a little blush, not too much. Make that cheek pop a little bit more. Okay, so next, I keep on saying next. All right, so I'm gonna go into my Glow Fenty Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. And I'm gonna take that onto the fan brush and just put it right here. Oh Lord. Every time I put this on, it just melts right into my skin. The under eyes, oh my God, I cannot believe. Okay, the under eyes, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brown shadows that I use. Which one did I use first? I'm gonna take the one that I use for my transition, and then I'm gonna take the brown shade. So I'm gonna start off with this. And I'm gonna lightly just pat it on. And then I'm gonna go into the brown shade just to blend it out. Okay guys, so we're just about done. I'm gonna go in with the lips, and I really don't know what look I should go for. If I should go with nude. I think this one will look good, or maybe this one. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Patrickstarrr lip liner in mahogany, and I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips first. So I thought I was recording again, but I went into the Earban Decay and I used the Patrickstarrr in mahogany to line my lips. I think I want to do something a little bit. Let me put this one in the center. This one is from ColourPop. This one is called Saturday. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. Oh my God, like I can't with these lips. All right, I'm gonna try this one from Lena Cosmetic. Put it in the center. Kind of fade it out a little bit. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna keep it matte. I like matte lips. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face one more time, and I'm gonna go into my Glam Glow. Okay guys, so pretty much this is the finished look and the entire makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy. I enjoy creating this look, and I hope you enjoy watching me create this look. And don't forget to tune in every day. Hopefully, I don't know what's gonna happen, but ooh, fingers crossed. I upload 5 days a week. I'm trying, guys. I swear to you, I am really trying. As I said, YouTube is not my full time. YouTube don't pay my bill, okay? So I have to go out, get my ass up, and work to pay my bill, to get the camera up, to get the lighted up, to do all that stuff, to buy makeup because I'm not on PR list. It's crazy. So I'm really trying, guys. I'm really trying to upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. But if I don't, I just hope that you continue to support me. Continue, because you know, this is just me trying makeup and trying to be out there and let you guys see how talented I am, you know. But this is it. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget, I upload 5 days a week. Subscribe. Make sure you turn on your bell. Leave me a comment. Like, let me know what's up. Talk to me. Let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.